have come to me complaining that the PNP MPs who have gotten substantial relief aid have not been distributing it to them. And I want to put it on record, Madam Speaker, that when they have come to me, I have said to them, in the interest of unity and peace in this country, that we wouldn't raise it or complain about it. But there is obviously, Madam Speaker, an effort to destroy the goodwill and to falsely accuse the government in a very malicious way.
Morning, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I've been watching the PM speech in the House of Parliament, and I noticed that what he's saying, the opposition side is not trying to defend themselves, because when the government is saying something that is not true or does not go the way he's saying it, they will stand up for themselves. And I notice they are not saying anything at all. All I see is the both side knocking desk. That means the Prime Minister is not lying. Because when he's lying, you would hear them get up and stand up and saying whatever they are saying. And I noticed they weren't saying nothing. So which means and proves to me that the Prime Minister is not lying. He's speaking the truth. But my big question is, why the hell would the PNP MPs would be getting packages, relief packages to help the Jamaican people and be holding on to it and not giving it out and acting and saying that they are not getting any from the Prime Minister? They have to make things make sense, you know, because I cannot understand why you getting the stuffs, holding on to them, not giving it out to the people who really need it. Then you come and you say you ain't getting nothing. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. This is not looking good. On a serious note, this not look good. The Jamaican people, them really are suffer. Them need help. I want to sit down on the packages, them, on the relief funds, them, and sit down on them and behave like you not get none. No, man, come on, man, PNP. PNP, come on now. Come on now. You not look good. You not look good. You not stop make Hurricane Melissa relief funds be a political war affair. This is not about politics. This is not about war affair right now. Why we could not take this put out in a politics? Meanwhile, we need to unite and come as one and see how best the people can get help. You know, make it political? Like seriously? They don't know how to talk, say the PM now do nothing or whatever. You know do nothing either. You know better than the PM then. That means you know worse than the PM, because the PM you know the relief them and you know take them, sit down upon them and act like you know get them. You know worse than him. That means you know make this political. They don't know how to point finger and say the PM, the Labour Party, now do this and them now do that, and up until now they don't get no help and this and that means say you know the CMK clawfish. I you know worse. That means that the PM do things I you know act like him now do nothing. You don't need to stop it. Stop it. This is not about politics. This is about getting help and aid for the people. When the Prime Minister rang, he rang. When the Prime Minister rang, me speak up and me talk up because I am a Jamaican citizen, a full-fledged Jamaican. And where the truth is concerned, I'm gonna speak it like it yes or no, cause it what it will. But you see, when him not wrong, me not give him no wrong. Yes, when him right, me a leg go him shirt when him right. Yes, when him wrong, me hang on pan his shirt tight. But you see, the minute me realize say him not wrong, me a leg go him shirt and make him flow free. And right now, him a flow free in my book. You see, Uno is a set of crosses. Uno is a set of wicked people for sit down, pan the relief. I know one get it out. And the people them actually need it. They don't sit down and I say, oh no, nah get no help, and this not happen, and that not happen, and the Prime Minister this, and the Prime Minister that. Then what are you guys doing? Then Uno what? Uno no less wicked than the Prime Minister wanna talk about. Uno worse than him. Because if him a give uno nah get it out and act like uno nah get it, well that means uno worse than him. Because at least he get it and him a give uno. But uno get it and sit down on it because uno try to make this a political warfare. This is not about PMP and JLP right now. This is about the Jamaican people who actually needs the help, who are suffering, who needs stuff. I want to sit down and make this political, like seriously. What kind of art you have? PMP, you know, broke up on a folly crowd and go do on a fiddle and tap a foolishness them want to do. You hear me I tell you no? Because this not look good for you know. Here? This not look good. It really fun them when you get them if you go give out. Go give it out to the people them because the people them need it. You not stop doing it for no time or no pace because you not try to make the JLP party look worse and look bad. You know, I try to give off the feedback. They say, them nah do nothing. Meanwhile, you know, I get the same thing them. You know, get up off on the backside and go start get the sitting them to the people them and tap it foolish them you know do. You know, tap it. Because this now gonna make no difference for you. You know, gonna make yourself look worse. You know, make yourself look very bad. Then all the things that the people are gonna trust you know. I want to put them back in a power with all I want to go on with. One couldn't think people them are going to really trust you. People now going to trust you no more. So just like all the people, some of the people them say they not trust the Prime Minister and them now want to hear what I say and they not want this and I see where them feel about you. And I saw them are going to feel about you. Because when them realize now say I sit down and I try make this thing all about politics. The people them now going to rate you no more. Them now go rate to know. You no go give out the same thing them and do what you do and stop sit down panic on and take your town no pocket and no phone no one it no belong to no. It no belongs to no. Go give the people them what them forget. And stop everything when you bring politics in. And when the people them are suffer and they're in a devastating situation. When you sit down and look for politics and look for who the people them are going to rate and who the people them are going to say are gay and who the people them are going to say nah gay. And that one you look for. When you stop drag the people them name through the mud me while them are give you no relief. When you stop it. When them wrong, but when they right, give them their right. Give Caesar what due to Caesar. Call a spade a spade. Lick the nail pan the head. Because right about now, that me I do. The man I do him for do. And give you know, go get out and stop it. Stop it. People National Party, MP them, they want them when I get the things them and sit down on them. Or not tap it and go get the sinting them. And cut out on no bullshit. This not nothing to do with politics. This have to do with the people them who needs help. God do on to do. For God's sake, God do on to do and stop it. You know, go do the right things, you know. Go do the right things. Just go do it. Anyway, you know, have a blessed day, you know, my beautiful people them. And just go on, take it easy. Peace and prosperity, yeah, man.